Welcome to MonroeMotors.com. Here we have a 2007 Ford Mustang GT500 in Alloy Clearcoat Metallic on black leather interior. So we'll just start over at the rear of the vehicle. We'll have a look at the trunk. So I've got the convertible top down and we've got some goodies here in the trunk. So this one has the original window sticker here that's been placed on a piece of cardboard, so that's nice. There is some more documentation here. Let's see down in the corner. Let's see what that is. That's the tuner. So it's got an SCT tuner. It has been tuned and it has a pulley on it, so it is producing 525 horsepower to the rear wheels. We've got the cover here for the convertible top. We've got a car cover, and we've got the original suspension since it has lowering suspension in it now. We've got the Shaker 1000 with the subwoofer here on the trunk, so that's there. We'll go ahead, we'll close that. It's got the nice deck lid spoiler. We've got the Shelby across the back with the Shelby GT500 badge. We've got the nice fins on the lower part of the bumper with the dual chrome tip exhaust. Looks great. So we'll just move around this side here. Here's your rear wheel. So it's got the nice SVT wheels. We've got Goodyear Eagle F1 tires on there. Looks great. And I'll just move over to the passenger door. So here it is. We've got power windows, power locks. We've got the brushed aluminum finished door handle and that nice Shaker 1000 stereo. Here's the kick plate on the passenger side. So there's one small little mark here, or indentation on the SVT panel. Outside of that, it looks great. For the seat, you've got manual recline, manual fore and aft, and I'll just go ahead and scan up the seat so you can see the condition. Looks good. Couple little marks here on the side bolster. You know, we'll try to tidy those up the best we can. They'll probably always be there, but we'll make them look as minimal as possible. Here's the back seat. It's in really good shape, as you can see. Looks great. So we'll go ahead, we'll close that. And as I get in, just have a look in the door frame, nice and clean. And we'll have a look in the glove box. We've got the books, we've got the wheel lock key, so that's all there. On the dash, we've got the nice billet style finish that looks great here. And have a look at the upper portion of the dash. It's in really good shape, as you can see. And we've got the jet style vents here as well. So we'll just hop out and we'll close this side up. I'll just start at the back and we'll scan along this side of the vehicle so you can see the condition. It's got the nice silver striping down on the bottom with the GT500 logo. There's the Cobra on the front fender, looks great. And here's your front wheels. So again, nice SVT wheels, Goodyear tires, looks great. So I'll just shift around to the front. So on the front, we've got the nice lower chin strap, looks good. Couple little minor marks on it, nothing serious. We've got the fog lights, we've got the projector halogen lights, and we've got the Cobra there on the grille. So here's the motor. So stock, this would be 500 horsepower. So it's been tuned with a pulley and the performance cold air intake. So it is pushing 525 to the rear wheels now. We do have the dyno report for that as well. So looks good, and that is paired to a 6-speed Tremec manual transmission. As you can see, we've also had hood struts that have been added, so that looks great. And go ahead, we'll close the hood. Have a look from the front. So it's got the nice air dams there. The hood's in really good shape. I just see there's one little minor mark right here, and a very minor one beside that. They look like little chips. They might buff out, I don't know. It's hard to say at this point, but they are there, so I'm just pointing them out. Outside of that, it looks like it's in pretty good shape. Like I said, this lower piece has a little bit of scuffing on it. We'll try to clean it up the best we can. I mean, that won't go away, but usually you can clean it up a little bit and make it look nicer. Overall, it doesn't really stand out, but I'm just sharing just so you can see the full condition of the car. So we'll just shift around here. So here's your other front wheel. So it's in really good shape, as you can see. Goodyear Eagle F1 tires, Brembo calipers, SVT wheels, and same thing back here. Awesome. So we'll move over here to the driver's door panel. So again, we've got our power mirrors. We've got our power locks, our power windows, Shaker 1000 stereo, and here's the kick plate on the driver's side. There is a little bit of scuffing here, as you can see, in a minor indentation. Here's the power seat for the driver's side, so power fore, aft, up and down, power lumbar, and manual recline. And I'll just go ahead and scan up the seat so you can see the condition. Looks great. So as I get in, just have a look in the door frame, nice and clean. And let's get in and fire this one up. There we are. So in terms of kilometers, we have 23,410. No warning lights or issues there on the dash. It's got the SVT gauges, looks good. And there's your Shelby logo on the steering wheel. It's got leather wrapped. The leather's in pretty good shape. One little minor mark right here. And then we've got cruise control on and off. We've got our Shelby badging and our cruise control set and resume over here. It's got nice red baseball stitching on the steering wheel. And then over on this side, you've got your your headlight control. So they're not automatic, they're manual. So you turn it on and you pull like so, and it turns on the fogs. We've got our dimmer switch here, and then we've got manual tilt here as well. So that's there. And then wiper controls on this stock here. There's your key, and it's got a remote. The remote's got lock, unlock, trunk release, and panic alarm. There's your jet style vents, and we've got the signed by Carol Shelby with the VIN, and there is documentation for that as well. So you've got a 12-volt outlet, you've got controls for the center dash there, warning lights, and then your 6 CD in-dash changer with the Shaker 1000, and then down below is your air conditioner controls. We've got a Hurst short shifter here, so I'll just show you the throw is very, very short. So very cool cue ball shifter with the Shelby, and it is 6-speed as well, leather wrapped with red baseball stitching. You got your e-brake here, and then in a center armrest, we've got a console. We've got a line in and a 12-volt socket for the stereo. We've got an auto dimming rear view mirror, and then since it's a convertible, we'll go ahead and put the power top up. So you just press this button like so, and up goes the top. And just lock this into place here, and here on this side. There we are, locked in. And we'll put the windows up, rears, and the fronts. All right, so with it running, we'll just hop out. We'll have a look and a listen. Nice growl to it, sounds good. I love the sound of the cold air intake as you press the throttle. Sounds awesome. So I'll just show you from the front with the headlights on, the fog lights on. Sharp looking car. We'll move along this side here so you can see the condition. Looks good. Here it is from the back. Nice rumble to it. What a nice car. And there you have it, folks, 2007 Ford Mustang GT500 here and available at monroemotors.com. Come on down and have a look at this one for yourself. Look forward to seeing you real soon.